In this session, we are going to see about how to construct a simple circuit for verifying Kirchhoff's voltage law. In second, type as MATLAB in Google and just enter and just open the first link in the page. It will show you the home page of MATLAB. Just click on MATLAB. Before that, you have to sign in to your account. Now click on Open MATLAB Online and it will direct you to the home window of MATLAB with 3 panes. Now once again you can click on home to new to Simulink model, and now click on create model. Just create a blank model. And it is creating a model, a new model. Now it is created, that is a new or empty .slx file is created with the name of untitled. Now click on simulation and first save the file in MATLAB drive. Wherever you want to choose a location, you can choose, or you can create a folder and you can save the particular file in the folder. Now edit the untitled to Kirchhoff's voltage law underscore triple K. How to mention underscore if you are using two words, more than two words, or more than one word. Now save. Now it has been saved. In this simulation, we are going to add the same components. First, search the component by left clicking on empty space using your mouse. DC voltage source. Under foundation library, you have to insert. Now resistor, you have to insert resistor under foundation library. You need 3 resistors. Here I am taking a 3 resistors to construct a simple circuit to verify Kirchhoff's voltage law, and then voltage sensor for measuring the drop across each resistor. Okay, that is control R. In this manner, you have to fix the current sensors. Okay, 3 current sensors I have inserted. Now I'm connecting the circuit. Just connect all the resistors and DC voltage source in series. Okay, like this you can connect. Now connect the voltage sensor across the resistors. Okay, across the resistors you can connect like this. Like this you can connect. Now insert a solver configuration as well as electrical reference and connect electrical reference to the circuit. Collect solver configuration. Once again, now we need to measure. Okay, we need to measure and display. For that, I'm inserting PS-Simulink Converter. For each case, I am inserting. Okay, like this you can insert. insert like this. We can keep it here. Maybe it will looks common. This is for second resistor and this is for third resistor. Like this you can mention, or you can keep it here. Like this you can keep it. This is for R1 and this is for R2. You can keep it like this, and this is for R3. You can keep it like this. Okay. Now you can add a display. Display you can add, and you can connect display. Just once again, the same display. This you can connect. In this manner, you have to construct a circuit. This is a simple circuit I have constructed using simple three resistors, okay, in series. And now you can create annotations. That is verification of, that is Kirchhoff Voltage Law using MATLAB Simscape. Just select all, change font size. You can increase the font size also. Now bold or italic, and you can change the color up to green, and you can keep it like this. Like this, you can keep it. This is a simple circuit representing Kirchhoff's voltage law. Now you can set the values. For example, here I am setting total voltage of 20 volt. Okay, and resistor, I am setting the common resistance 2 ohm. Once again, here also 2 ohm. And here also 2 ohm. Common resistance I have set, or you can set the different value of resistance. Okay, now I am saving the file. Now run the file. Just keep the stop time as 10 seconds as it is. Now run the file. Simulation. The simulation is run, compiled, and it is ran, and it is given the value of the voltage drop across each resistor. Since we have taken the common value of resistance 2 ohm for each resistance, it is showing the same value of drop. Okay, 6.6 is the common drop across each 2 ohm resistance. Okay, if you change the resistance, it will show different drop. Okay, this is how we have to construct a simple voltage law. If you want a direct link, okay, the final simulation, here I have given the simulation link, math or there is file exchange link. Just you can click on this. You can click on this open in MATLAB Online. It will direct you to the final constructed circuit, okay, MATLAB circuit, where you can simply enter the values and you can run the simulation as per your requirement. Just you can save a new copy this existing file, and I understand you can choose the MATLAB drive location and check in the. I understand this risk of saving and save and open. On the circuit will open. Here now you have to double click on this KVL.slx. The circuit is now open. It is the circuit in this link, a Kirchhoff's voltage law using MATLAB under file exchange. Okay, this is the actual circuit. or you can enter the value of resistors, that is R1, R2, R3, or you can change the name of the particular component also, okay, as per your requirement, as we already seen in the previous videos. And you can change the voltage value as well. Okay. Okay, this is the circuit verifying Kirchhoff's voltage law using Simscape physical components in MATLAB. Thank you.